cooking show!
So I'm gonna give you the rundown of what you need. Some Roma tomatoes. 6 we have. We might not use this. We might need more. Who knows?
We probably won't use all of them.
Maybe. You need some bull, 2 onion. We got some garlic, some jalapenos, some knives. You know what I'm saying? To we have parsley flakes because we forgot to buy cilantro.
Salt.
Salt. Is that it? I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Oh, and a cutting board. Now let's get to cooking. Alright. So what you're gonna do? We got our cutting boards.
Yep.
We got our knives. We got our juices.
We got to wash the vegetables.
Forgot about.
He is going to wash the vegetables. They're nice and clean.
Smell that wet?
You just dripped
Oh my
so
gosh.
much. It's a strainer. What did you expect? So now
We cut.
we cut.
Get your knife. Always be safe. You need parental supervision. with
I am
this.
parent.
He is. You want to be smart about it. You want to do the smallest thing first because you can't add more of that.
Okay,
Unless you go by.
slice it down the middle. Is that how it
Yes, slice it down the middle.
is? I'm super good.
And our cutting technique is top notch. Don't say any different. That was so loud.
That was loud.
All the capsaicin is in the middle. That's spicy stuff. It's all in the middle of the seed. And spicier you want it, the more you leave in or the more jalapenos you put in. Boom. We don't like spicy, so chicken. We're gonna do some
You can't see anything. How are you so used to this?
wow. Cause I'm a man. Well, it might be because you have yellow and I have sweet. That
Is there
might.
a difference?
I don't know. I'm not an onion master.
Oh my gosh, ew.
Sorry if I offended any onion masters by not knowing my stuff. In 3, 2, now. Yeah, because garlic goes a lot.
Yeah, got garlic.
Garlic, cilantro,
We're gonna slide
Onions.
them on in.
what else is in here?
All this flavor.
Jalapeno.
Yes.
See all that? Boom. Put that in there.
Boom, roasted.
Let's start doing, oh my gosh. We're gonna start doing tomatoes.
I'll flip it over.
And we're just gonna go until we feel it's all mixy good. So go ahead and grab your dudes.
You grab one, yeah.
And you're gonna scoop your seeds. When you cut it in half, scoop your seeds.
Scoop my seeds.
Always cut away from you.
I feel like now is the appropriate time to say that, I guess.
It's always appropriate to be safe. Okay, boom! Look at that. We put the cut up tomatoes in, and we're gonna mix it. See how it looks, and then we might add more.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need one more tomato to make it nice, and then we're also going to be adding the lime in to add some extra flavor. You're so bad. So bad, dude. Why? You completely missed the apron. Okay, this is so ineffective. I'm just juicing all over my hand. Well, we're gonna add more tomato, and we're gonna need some salt.
Pico time!
So yeah,
We got our
we got
pico.
our little pico bowl.
And we're gonna do it real good.
Why would you choose that chip of all chips? Such a bad chip. All you have is tomato.
Boom, done.
Boom, roasted.
I really like that.
I would eat it again, but it wouldn't be my first choice. First thought, like I wouldn't. If I had to rank that, I would say like 4.5 out of 10.
I would probably rank it like a 6 out of 10, but it's hard to compare because it's not a full meal like that.
Yeah, it's kind of just like a side dish almost. But yeah, I don't think I like it that much. Wait, are you saying because you're trying? Oh, okay.
Give us challenges. Like and subscribe. Tell your mom.